For 2 decades, the vast majority of internet traffic flowed through a single massive hub, traditional search engines. Now, those data streams are shifting course. Billions of users are bypassing traditional results to ask AI platforms directly for recommendations. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to restructure a standard website so that models like ChatGPT and Perplexity cite it as a primary answer. To execute this process, you only need an active SerpSling AI account and a target URL. The system is designed to handle the technical requirements, so zero coding is necessary. If a business fails to provide structured data that AI crawlers can parse efficiently, it remains effectively invisible to this growing segment of the market. Step 1 is the diagnostic. Open the SerpSling dashboard and paste your target URL to generate a baseline Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO, score. This diagram shows the site's underlying code. Those empty brackets pulsing red represent missing JSON LD schema markup. Without this code, AI models struggle to define exactly what the business does. As the view zooms out, the scan checks for name, address, and phone data. Here, conflicting location details are scattered across different web nodes, which creates a credibility gap for AI models. When an AI encounters missing schema and conflicting data, it sees a scrambled matrix. Because it cannot verify the core business offering with high confidence, it is less likely to recommend the site. Do not be concerned if your initial report shows several red flags. These markers identify the specific data points that we will restructure in the next step. While AI models can read standard web text, they prioritize structured data for efficiency. Identifying these blind spots allows us to translate human-oriented content into a format machines can index more accurately. Now we move to the fixes. Open the DFY Optimization Toolkit and select a schema template based on the business type, such as a local service or a professional agency. Click Generate, and the AI will analyze the audit data to formulate optimized paragraphs and trust signals tailored for large language models. This split screen shows the difference in structure. By reorganizing traditional text into an answer-first format, we align the content with the hierarchical way AI models extract and summarize facts. The zero-code schema toolkit then encases this content in a geometric wireframe of technical tags, automating the application of schema without manual coding. Avoid editing the generated code manually. It is formatted specifically for machine parsing, where even minor syntax errors can prevent an AI from reading the data. This process establishes entity clarity. By defining the business through precise data signals, we move away from outdated keyword tactics and focus on how machines actually build associations. To push these optimizations live, click the Deploy button. This sends the new schema and content directly to the target site. Once deployment is complete, regenerate the audit score to verify the technical updates are recognized. Watch the radial dial chart. As the new data is indexed, the score spins up from the red zone and locks into the green. The red warning symbols from the initial diagnostic, representing the missing schema and entity gaps, now turn to green check marks. If you are working on a site without the WordPress plugin, simply copy the generated code block and provide it to a developer to insert into the site's header. Feeding these structured signals into the site code aligns your local content with the requirements of global AI search engines. The site is now optimized for machine understanding. When AI bots call the domain, they can verify exactly who the business is and why it should be cited in an answer. The process also generates this white-labeled document. It provides a professional layout showing the before and after AEO score comparison. For agency owners, this report serves as a tangible asset to demonstrate value and justify monthly service retainers to clients. To begin, log into your account. Enter a target URL, and run your very first AI search visibility audit today. Answer engine optimization is the practical requirement for staying visible as search behavior continues to change. Structure your data, deploy the fixes, and establish your presence in the new landscape.